This question belongs to operating system subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015 Set 2. So the question states, a computer system implements a 8 kilobyte pages and a 32-bit physical address space. Each page table entry contains a valid bit, a dirty bit, 3 permission bits, and the translation. If the maximum size of page table of a process is 24 megabyte, then the length of virtual address space supported by the system is how many bits? Okay, so see how this system works. So basically we have a process. This is our process, and for accessing any entry we need a virtual address, but this can't come in an entire space. So what we do is that we bring some of the pages, we divide this into frames, pages and main memory into frames, and pages are brought into frames. So this is our main memory, and we have a page table for the translation. We have a page table. So we have a CPU over here. CPU always generates a logical address, or you can say virtual address, and then we have the translation mechanism using page table to convert the virtual address into physical address. Here it is converted to physical address, and then the corresponding data is searched in main memory. If it is not present, it is basically brought from secondary memory to main memory using the page miss mechanism. Now let us see what the question is saying. So it is saying that we have 8 kilobyte pages. So this virtual address is basically divided into two parts: page offset and page number. Similarly, our physical address is divided into page number and page offset. Since page size is 8 KB, which is equals to 2 to the power 13 bytes, thus we will need 13 bits for offset. So offset is our 13 bits. And this page number and this page number are different. This is, let us suppose it is page number, and this is page number dash. So the entire physical address is 32 bits. It's given over here that the entire 32-bit physical address. So what is the length of the page frame bits? Or we can write this as page frame bits. So page frame bits length is equals to 32 minus 13, which is 19. Okay, so we have 19 bits for page frame bits, 19. Now each page table, what each page table has? It has one dirty bit. Each entry has one dirty bit, one valid bit, 3 permission bits, and the translation. So translation is basically based on the page frame bits. So it's 19. So 19, 3, 20, 22 plus 2, 24 bits. So basically each page table entry is equals to 24 bits. Okay, which is equals to 24 by 3, which is equals to 8. 24 by 8, which is equals to 3 bytes. So 3 bytes is the size of each page table entry. Now what it is given that the maximum page table of a process is 24 bytes. Okay, so let me first clear some of the stuff out. Let me also clear this. Yes. Okay, so what is our, see, we have a page table of size 24 megabyte maximum, and each entry is of size 3 bytes. So number of page table entries is equals to page table size, which is 24 megabyte, divided by each entry size, which is 3 bytes. So we have 8 million entries. So we have 8 million entries in a page table. Now see, here we have divided process into, this is secondary memory, this is main memory. Here pages will come into the frames, and we have a page table. So for each page of main memory, we have an entry in page table. Okay. Now, so total virtual address supported, virtual address size supported. what is the total virtual address size supported? Since for each entry we have a corresponding page, so number of pages will be equal to number of entry. So we have 8 million pages, which is equal to number of page table entry, and the size of each page is given over here. The size of each page is 8 kilobyte. So we have 8 kilobyte as the size of each page. So it is equal to 64. This is 8 into 2 to the power 20 into 8 into 2 to the power 10, which is equal to 64 into 2 to the power 30, which is equal to 64 GB, which is 2 to the power 36 bytes. So we have a virtual address space maximum can be supported of 64 GB or 2 to the power 36 bytes. So for 2 to the power n bytes we need n length virtual address. So for 2 to the power 36 we need virtual address of size 36 bits. So answer is 36 bit virtual address can be supported.